and welcome. And I just want to say thank you so much for giving me your time and being in the room to listen to this presentation. And thank you to the organizers. This has been a pretty awesome event so far. And I'm Scarlett, and as James said, I'm the head ambassador for Phala Network. And Phala, in a nutshell, is an infrastructure project. So we help developers, or we give developers the tools to integrate AI with blockchain in a very seamless way, leveraging trusted execution environments. Now, I'll explain what that is in a second. And you might be hearing this and you might think, well, that's a very technical, developer-focused project. But that's the beauty of Web3. We're actively involved in shaping the future of our favorite dApps and actively involved in shaping the industry as a whole. Our feedback matters, our opinions matter, and the efforts we put in to understand every brick that goes into paving the way forward. That's why I'm really excited to talk to you here today. And I'm going to speak about two very disruptive technologies, AI and blockchain. And these two are a power couple. The way they interact or the way they complement each other is very interesting. AI can help blockchain be smarter and more efficient, and blockchain can help AI be more transparent and secure. But this is not just a theoretical concept. It's becoming a practical reality thanks to the hard work of many gigabrains in the industry. And let me just figure out how to use this. Okay. Hold on 1 second. So it's becoming a reality thanks to the gigabrains that are working so hard to create many different solutions. But before we can kick back and enjoy the fruits of this technological advancement, like any good thing in the world, there are some challenges that we have to overcome. And Web3 is complicated, but you don't really need me to tell you that. Anyone here who has tried to do anything on-chain, for example, if you're trying to if you're trying to buy an NFT, you gotta buy tokens, you gotta swap tokens, you gotta bridge it across chain, on-chain, you gotta handle multiple wallets, and this can be very overwhelming. It's overwhelming for us, the average user, even more so for people outside Web3 that we're trying to onboard to use all of the amazing things that we have. So what can we do about this? Well, AI is the key to simplifying our Web3 experience. Now picture this. Picture a world where AI can take care of everything. It can research, make decisions, and even carry out the transactions for you. All you need to do is give it instructions, and AI will do the rest, quickly, securely, and seamlessly. You don't have to fumble around with many different wallets. It sounds dreamy, right? It would remove the barriers for new people, and it will also help us more experienced people navigate the ecosystem more efficiently. This is what AI agents can do. So in a nutshell, AI agents are like computer programs, and they work independently. They can execute tasks and make decisions based on the information that they receive. Let me just try to work this. Okay, based on the information that they receive. With the advancements of AI agents, many thought leaders have started to come to a new realization. Vitalik Buterin had a post, and this post was about the intersection of AI and blockchain. This sparked a new realization. AI agents can serve as an intelligent interface to blockchain and help AI understand the blockchain world and also ensure that their behavior matches their intentions. This helps us to avoid being tricked or scammed. But here's the catch. For AI to truly function in Web3, it needs an execution layer that can handle all of this complexity securely. Right now, we don't really have that. The AI agents that exist today, as awesome as they are, they can't interact securely with smart contracts. They can't really handle the decentralization of Web3. And in our world, decentralization is a cornerstone of blockchain technology, and smart contracts run this town. The missing AI execution layer is preventing developers from creating smart contract-centric AI agents. Now, this is Phala's role. Phala is building the missing AI execution layer. With Phala, you can build AI agents that don't just interact with smart contracts, but they interact with smart contracts in a way that's secure, reliable, and unstoppable. Phala's foundation is built on Trusted Execution Environments, or TEEs. Now, TEEs are isolated areas inside a CPU or a GPU. They are like enclosed areas. Hold on, where am I here? Yeah, so they're like enclosed areas where you can run your code without fear of tampering or manipulation. Sorry, I'm a bit far off here. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, this thing is, okay, a little bit far off here. Okay. Yes, I'm so sorry, but okay, let me just use this. Thank you for bearing with me right now.
No problem, we know what it's like. Let's have a look. Any AV assistance there? Please? I haven't even used this thing yet.
It's okay.
Is it a battery problem? Georgia will have a look.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I got it. Thank you. As you can see, I'm talking to you about infrastructure projects and trying to figure out how to use Pointer. Yeah, so as I said, TEEs are secure environments where sensitive data can be processed without the risk of tampering. This means that any AI agents that run on Phala network can handle your data safely and securely without the fear of interference or manipulation. In other words, Phala gives you the power to build AI you can trust. And this is important, not just for us to have trust in the technology, but for us to have trust in the ecosystem as a whole. Because can we really use something if we don't have confidence in it? We need to know that our data is secure, and we're more likely to engage with AI applications if we can trust them. This will breed that vibrant and innovative space that we're looking for. So recently, Phala and its researchers, they completed their first technological study. Now this is a very, as I said, technical study. It was the first performance benchmark study on confidential computing on the NVIDIA H100 GPU. Now this particular GPU is really known for its advanced architecture and superior performance. This makes it ideal for handling complex AI workloads. Now, the study showed that enabling TEEs, even for large-scale tasks like language models, introduces minimal overhead, 5% or less in most cases. And for larger, more complex models, the overhead is practically zero. Simply put, this study shows a breakthrough because it means that you can secure AI workloads without compromising performance. That's great for developers, but as end users, it means that we can use our favorite dApps next generation with minimal lag, and they will not compromise on their performance. Now, AI agents, they need some key features that are provided with the right architecture. Obviously, I'm going to say that Phala has the right architecture. Phala's blockchain TEE hybrid system, it provides the essential elements that we need for AI agents to kind of operate like smart contracts. Decentralized hosting. So AI agents can run on a decentralized network, ensuring that they are always available when you need them. Smart contract governance. Smart contracts manage how AI agents operate, keeping everything secure and organized. Interconnected applications. AI agents can easily communicate with each other to create complex services, allowing for flexible interaction without unnecessary costs. Data privacy. Your prompts and data have the ability to now remain private thanks to the secure environment provided by Phala TEEs. This is important to us because now our search history on ChatGPT is becoming just as bad as our Google search history. Fast and free. AI agents can interact with users quickly and efficiently without additional transaction fees. Together, these features allow AI agents to operate securely and effectively within Phala's ecosystem. This makes them really powerful tools. now, let me change the slide. Okay. The first challenge that we're going to talk about, because there are some challenges that we need to face in decentralized AI, and this is how Phala addresses them. The first challenge is trust. In a decentralized AI ecosystem, there's many different parties involved, as you can imagine. There's data providers, there's individual developers, there's organizations, and they're all contributing to AI models. How can we ensure that we're coordinating all of these contributions effectively? And how can we ensure that everyone's data is protected? Because if we don't have the proper security, then we're going to end up back to the same problems that we were trying to solve in the first place. Centralized AI models often restrict access to resources. They create unequal distribution, they fall prey to censorship, and this is particularly concerning for those of us here where centralized AI might lead to situations where we have our access restricted or even banned. Imagine if you're being locked out of key AI services because the central authority had to shut it down for some reason, or there was a single point of failure. To tackle these challenges, we need a well-designed infrastructure, like I mentioned, that allows for tamper-proof AI applications and unstoppable execution. With Phala's TE technology, we can ensure that AI models remain tamper-proof, safeguarding them from unauthorized access. This integrity is important for us to maintain trust within a decentralized ecosystem, and it allows us to create AI solutions that really serve our communities. By prioritizing redundancy and resilience, along with quick vulnerability management and seamless integration with a variety of ecosystems, we can build a decentralized AI system that empowers everyone. Now, this is very interesting to me because the security measures in place at Phala ensure that even if a single component faces compromise or fails, the entire system still continues to work. This kind of resilience, that's what's important to create a sustainable ecosystem. Now, another critical challenge in decentralized AI is keeping the program state secret. What do I mean by that? In AI, the program state includes sensitive data, like training data, model parameters, computational results. Really important stuff. Without strong protection, this information can be easily exposed. This leads to data breaches and even theft of proprietary data. Phala solves this problem by running these models in a TEE. And in their study on these NVIDIA H100 GPUs, Phala demonstrated that even under the most demanding AI tasks, like running LLMs, the overhead introduced was pretty minimal, whether you're training an AI model or running on an AI-powered app. Phala guarantees that the secrecy and security of your data doesn't compromise your performance. Now, the last challenge that I want to talk about is reliability. One of the biggest issues with decentralized AI is that if the execution environment fails, the whole system can go down, like I mentioned. So imagine an AI model that's responsible for a DAO's governance. If that model suddenly stops working, the whole DAO could come to a standstill. With Phala, redundancy is a key feature. Phala's infrastructure is designed to keep operations running, even if parts of that system fail. By using multiple TEEs and smart resource management, Phala ensures that AI remains reliable, secure, and unstoppable. So, what does this mean for us here in Africa? At this point, you might be thinking, what does it mean for me, a project, a developer, or an end user? Well, Phala levels the playing field. It provides the infrastructure we need to build secure, scalable AI applications that anyone can access, no matter where they are. For developers, it can mean you can create world-class decentralized AI apps without the fear of censorship or manipulation. You can develop solutions that are fair, open, and resilient, whether you're working on AI-driven financial services, governance models, or even healthcare applications. Phala ensures that your data and AI models are safe. Phala's infrastructure gives you the control to own your data and ensures that your AI services remain available, fair, and reliable. As AI and blockchain continue to converge, the need for secure, scalable infrastructure has never been greater. Phala provides the tools you need to make decentralized AI a reality. And by addressing these trust issues in AI with technologies like TEE, we're paving the way for a new wave of applications that are secure, transparent, and unstoppable. It's not just about technology, but it's about enabling a decentralized future where anyone, anywhere, can build and benefit from AI. Whether you're a developer looking to create the next big thing, or a user simply looking for fair, transparent systems, this is the key to unlocking their potential. And thank you, that's all I have for you today, and thank you for bearing with me.